Hello everybody, it's the Swedish Traveler here. How you doing? How's it hanging? I hope everyone's alright. As you might see, I am back home in my hometown of Umeå. I well, there is a reason that I'm kind of late with the videos. Uh, it was just the fact that uh, I needed, I need a new camera. I'm recording on my phone at the moment. Uh, I have my new camera right here, and the reason that I needed a new camera is just the fact that I will show you. This is my old one. As you might see, the screen isn't really good. It's kind of broken. It still can record, but uh, I have been recording blindly for the last couple of weeks since actually getting from Luxembourg to Zagreb, Croatia. So it has been over 2 weeks that I've been filming blindly. Hence the reason that I wanted a new camera, and there has actually also happened some things that I needed to fix while being home, which I will get into a little bit later. But actually, I'm gonna at least unbox the camera, and I don't want to show my address because I know that someone wants my address. Here's the new camera. It's a little bit more compact compared to I used to gotta check if the battery is in, which I kinda nope, the battery isn't in. There is a I kinda thought it was a huge difference, but it's not a lot. So here's the battery. Sorry for making this a long one, but I want to do this properly. But while I'm doing this, I might talk about what things that happened when I got home. I wrote in my blog that first I didn't get my luggage right away. Hence also a reason that I wanted to wait for luggage, because I also need some that I also will record what I actually bought during the trip as well. And just the fact that when I got home, just to give it a bit of a context, I took over my dad's car, and it got put in my name just before the trip. And at least here in Sweden, I don't know how it is in your countries, but when you change ownership, the insurance that has been put on it automatically uh, gets shut, and since you need a an insurance, um, you will actually need to pay uh, like $20 per day until you get the car insured, which was put into law uh, fairly recently. It has been a couple of years, which uh, I didn't know, my family didn't know. So when I got home, I got a huge bill uh, brought on me, which sucks. Uh, I don't really. I feel too embarrassed uh, to reveal how much that is. Um, but it was a lot of money, and which sucks. Uh, and I had to deal with that emotionally as well. With combined with the luggage and everything, so I had a lot of things to deal with. Also need to. It's a great welcoming sign. Okay, that's special instructions in photo mode or video mode when shooting at close range, or when switching between far and near scenes. Please half press. I think there's a lot of new. The good thing about it is I can press a button just to record right away. Compared to this one, I had to press 15 buttons to switch to record. I think first of all, I think I gotta yeah, I gotta switch that. I don't want timed watermark. There we are. Sorry. Of course, I want to play with my new camera. But as I said, there's some things that I need to deal with. But yeah. I want to change time set. Yeah, I can do that later. But yeah. Oh, I gotta see where. Put my. 5K Ultra HD. Nice. Goodbye. But yeah, that's how it is. That's how things are. Gotta see where I can use this one because it's a USB to USB. But yeah, sorry for. But yeah, that's how it is. Comment below what you think, like and subscribe, and if you want to support the channel, you can buy some merch in merch down below. Otherwise, peace.